If you feel stuck in life, you're not alone. That heavy feeling, the sense that time is moving, but you're not. Days pass, weeks pass, and somehow everything looks the same. Same routines, same thoughts, same doubts. You're trying, but nothing feels like it's changing. And the hardest part isn't failing. It's feeling like you're not even moving. Most people think being stuck means doing nothing. But that's not true. Many people who feel stuck are actually very busy. They're just busy running in circles, repeating habits that feel safe, choosing comfort over progress, and telling themselves they'll change soon. But soon never comes when clarity is missing. Feeling stuck isn't a sign that you're broken. It's a signal that your current life no longer matches your potential, that the version of you inside is ready to grow, but your habits haven't caught up yet. And that tension, that discomfort, is not your enemy. It's your wake-up call. When you're stuck, your mind becomes loud. You overthink everything. Every decision feels heavy. You wait for the perfect plan, the perfect time, the perfect feeling. But clarity doesn't come from thinking. It comes from moving. Even imperfect movement creates direction. One of the biggest reasons people stay stuck is because they wait to feel ready. They wait for confidence, for motivation, for certainty. But readiness is built after action, not before it. The people you admire didn't start because they felt ready. They started because they were tired of staying the same. Here's a hard truth. Staying stuck is often more comfortable than changing. Change requires effort, attention, responsibility, being honest about what's not working. And comfort, even when it's painful, can feel familiar. But familiarity is not progress. Being stuck also makes you compare yourself to others. You look around and feel behind. Like you missed your chance, like everyone else figured it out except you. But life isn't a race. It's a direction. And the only real loss is staying where you already know you don't belong. The way out of being stuck is simpler than it seems. You don't need to fix your whole life. You just need to move one piece, one habit, one decision, one action that proves to yourself that you still have control. Momentum doesn't come from big wins. It comes from small evidence that you're capable. Stop asking, "What should I do with my life?" Start asking, "What can I do today that moves me forward by 1%? Clean your space. Finish one task. Learn one skill. Keep one promise to yourself. Small actions rebuild self-trust, and self-trust breaks stagnation. Another reason people feel stuck is because they live too much in their head, planning, imagining, worrying. But growth happens in the body, in movement, in execution. You don't think your way into a better life. You act your way into it. You also need to let go of who you used to be, the old routines, the old excuses, the old identity that no longer fits. Growth requires grief for the version of you that felt safe but stayed small. Letting go is uncomfortable, but holding on is heavier. Being stuck doesn't mean you failed. It means you've outgrown your current life. And outgrowing something always feels confusing before it feels clear. Just because you don't see the path yet doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It means you haven't started walking. The moment you take responsibility, real responsibility, everything changes, not blame. Responsibility. The quiet decision that says, "No one is coming to save me and that's okay. I can build this myself." That mindset doesn't make life easier. It makes you stronger. Progress won't feel dramatic at first. No applause, no sudden breakthroughs, just quiet days of showing up, choosing effort when comfort is available, choosing discipline when motivation disappears. Those choices don't look like success, but they are. If you feel stuck right now, don't panic. You're not behind. You're at the beginning of awareness, and awareness is where change starts. The only wrong move is staying still because you're afraid to move imperfectly. You don't need to see the whole road. You just need to take the next step. Direction will come later. Confidence will come later. Clarity will come later. For now, move.